What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is a digital ledger that records data, frequently cryptocurrency transactions, though it can handle any type of data, and distributes it across a broad network of computer systems. All of the nodes participating in the network hold identical copies of the digital ledger, which is a big reason why it can be difficult, but not impossible, to hack or cheat the system. It's helpful to break down the word blockchain to grasp how the system works. Computers that participate in the network encode data, smart contracts, Bitcoin transactions, or supply chain information for a logistics company, for instance, into blocks that are added to the continuously evolving digital ledger, aka the chain. As new blocks of information are added, duplicate copies of the entire database are updated on each node. All nodes must confirm the legitimacy of new data before it is added to the chain. For some blockchains, that means a majority of nodes confirm that individual crypto coins have not been spent more than once. Alternatively, for a logistics company, that could mean different nodes register or verify the receipt or dispatch of shipments.